We're here in Nino Ocean Beach after the monsoonal activity. Over here it shades and Wonderland. Check out this shit right here. Those guys aren't too pumped. Their car is straight up flooded. There's another car flooded right there. Totally flooded. Totally fucked. 2, 3, 4. Totally fucked cars. Hey babe, was it pretty burly or what?
Nar nar.
Nar nar. So yeah, it was raining balls today. We figured it truly and utterly was El Nino in the house. These underground garages or something. What up?
Hey, what up?
Yeah, I know. There's like 3 or so. I mean, fuck, dude. You know this new building over here? There was a Lamborghini last time it rained. I'm gonna go over there and check out and see if they fixed that.
Oh, it got again twice.
Is it the Lamborghini again?
Yup. Oh yeah.
How many Lamborghinis do they have to buy that motherfucker? Lake OB. Hello! Hello! Yo, yo. And here we are. I mean, this shit's right up to the street. Look at that. Another fucking lake. The new OB construction. Yeah. At the Veer, whatever the hell it's called. The Lamborghini was underwater. I guess I have to buy a couple more Lamborghinis now. How many Lamborghinis we got to go through? I say we get some surfboards and paddle out. You know what I'm saying? The waves are looking pretty good. Crazy. If I was drunker, I'd go for a swim.